Hi everyone! Once again, welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Today we're going to learn about adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Adding unlike fractions is difficult for some, but today I'm going to teach you an easier way how to do it. Okay, for our example, 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3. First, we have to multiply the two denominators, 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 gives us 12. Next, we need to cross multiply these two together. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. Whatever is the sign, we have to include it here. And then next, we have to cross multiply these two. So 4 times 2 gives us 8. And then we add the numerator. 9 plus 8 gives us 17 over 12. Now, 17 over 12 is an imperfect fraction. So we have to make this into a mixed number. Okay, so we have to divide 17 divided by 12. So that gives us 1. And then subtracting 12 from 17 gives us 5 over 12. For our next example, 1/2 plus 2 over 5. Again, we have to multiply the two denominators. So 2 times 5 gives us 10. And then cross multiply these two. 1 times 5 is 5. Whatever is the sign, you have to add it here. And then 2 times 2 gives us 4. Adding the numerator, 5 plus 4 gives us 9 over 10. Now let's go to subtracting unlike fractions. For subtracting unlike fraction, it's the same method that we did for adding. We have to multiply the two denominators. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then again, we have to cross multiply these two. So 3 times 3 is 9. Whatever is the sign there, we have to put it here. So 4 times 1 is 4. Then subtracting the numerator, 9 minus 4 gives us 5 over 12. Okay, for our last example, 1 over 2 minus 3 over 8. Same method that we did for addition. So we multiply the two denominator. 2 times 8 gives us 16. And then we cross multiply this one again. So 1 times 8 is 8. Whatever is the sign there, we write it here. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Subtracting the numerator, 8 minus 6 gives us 2 over 16. Now you notice that this number can still be reduced. So we divide everything by 2, will give us 1 over 8. This is now our answer. I hope you were able to better understand how to add and subtract unlike fractions the easy way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.